Welcome to N Universe Double Two. Firstly, subscribe if you not subscribe N Universe Double Two for getting the notification for uploading videos on various topics of refrigeration and air conditioning. Now, in this video, we will discuss about problem number 4, that is from the topic heat engine, heat pump, and heat refrigerator. Now, the statement of problem number 4 is two refrigerator A and B operate in series. The refrigerator A absorbs energy at the rate of 1 kilojoule per second from a body at a temperature 300 Kelvin and reject energy as heat to a body at temperature capital T. The refrigerator B absorbs the same quantity of energy which is rejected by the refrigerator A from the body at temperature capital T and reject energy as heat to a body at temperature 1000 Kelvin. If both the refrigerators have the same COP, calculate number 1 temperature capital T of the body, the COP of the refrigerator, and last one is the rate at which energy is rejected as heat to the body at 1000 Kelvin. So from the statement it is clear that we have two refrigerators A and B and which are operated in series, and between these two refrigerators one temperature is common, that is capital T, and here capital T is the higher temperature for refrigerator A and capital T is the lower temperature for refrigerator B, and here two temperatures are given. Total temperature 3, this is T1, this is T, that is also equal to T2, and this is T3, and T1 is given, that is 300 Kelvin, and T3 is also given, that is 1000 Kelvin. So here we have two work done. One is at A, that is WA, and another is that is WB on B refrigerator. If Q1 heat is extracted at this temperature by doing the work WA, so that is equal to Q2 equal to Q1 plus WA, and this heat is rejected at this temperature, and now this Q2 becomes equal to Q3, and this Q3 is also extracted at this temperature by refrigerator B by doing work done WB, and this Q4 is the heat that is rejected at this temperature, and in the third step we need to find out this Q4. So firstly we try to solve and calculating the value of capital T of the body. So firstly write down the given variables. First one is Q1 is given, that is 1 kilojoule per second, that is not mentioned here, and T1 is the lower temperature for refrigerator A, T equal to T2 is the higher temperature for refrigerator A, and T3 is the higher temperature for refrigerator B. Now step number 1, temperature T of the body. So write down the COP of refrigerator A in terms of temperature. This is the T1 temperature at which heat is extracted, and this is the temperature difference T2 minus T1. T1 is given 300 Kelvin and T2 equal to T as mentioned here and minus 300. This is equation number 1, and similarly write down the COP for refrigerator B. T2 is the lower temperature and temperature difference, that is T3 minus T2, and as we know T2 equal to T, so T upon T3 is given 1000 minus T. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and in the statement it is mentioned that both the refrigerator have the same COP. Now by considering this condition, COP of both the refrigerator is same, so therefore equating equation 1 and 2. So equation 1, that is 300 upon T minus 300 equal to capital T upon 1000 minus capital T, and by solving this whole equations we get capital T equal to 547.7 Kelvin. So T equal to T2. So here we calculated the value of higher temperature for refrigerator A, that is T2, and lower temperature for refrigerator B, that is T2. So this is equal to 547.7 Kelvin. Now step number 2, COP of the refrigerator. Since COP of both the refrigerator is same, if we calculated any one COP of any A refrigerator, that is also equal to COP of B refrigerator according to the condition. So now substituting the value of T in equation 1 or in equation 2. In any one equation we can substitute the value of T and we find out the value of COP. So COP of A equal to COP of B, that is T1 upon T2 minus T1. So T1 that is 300, T2 547.7 equal to minus 300. Final COP that is 1.21. So this is the COP for refrigerator A and B, and this is same for both the refrigerator. Now third step, we need to find out the rate at which energy is rejected as heat to the body at 1000 Kelvin. So for getting the value of this heat rejected, we try to understand the diagram firstly. So here we have three temperature, T1 300 Kelvin, that is given, T2 that we calculated in our first step 547 Kelvin, and T3 this is the higher temperature for refrigerator B. And in third step we need to find out the value of Q4, and here we can see Q3 equal to Q2. If we start from bottom, Q1 is the heat extracted at temperature T by doing the work done A, so this is equal to Q2, and Q2 that is equal to Q1 plus WA. So this is the total heat that is rejected at temperature T2 by the refrigerator A. Now this heat that is which is rejected by A, now this is extracted by the B refrigerator by doing the work done WB. So here Q2 is equal to Q2 equal to Q3. So at temperature 1000 this Q4 heat is rejected by the refrigerator B, and from here we can say Q3 plus WB, this is equal to Q4. So for calculating the value of Q4, firstly we need to find out the value of Q2. So now we know that work done by the refrigerator A. So write the COP of A in terms of heat. So Q1 is the heat extracted divided by work done, and now this work done equal to Q1 upon COP of A. Q1 is given, that is 1 kilojoule per second, and COP of refrigerator A that we calculated in our second step, that is 1.21. Now it becomes 1 upon 1.21, and that is equal to 0.826 kilojoule per second. So by using the value of work done we can find out the value of Q2. So heat rejected by refrigerator A, that is Q2 equal to Q1 plus WA, so that is equal to 1 plus 0.826, that is equal to 1.826 kilojoule per second. And as we discussed, Q2 equal to Q3, so this is value this value also equal to Q3, and now by using the value of Q3 we can find out the value of WB. So here work done by the refrigerator B, so that is COP of P equal to Q3 upon WB, and from this formula WB equal to Q3 upon COP of B, and Q3 that is also equal to 1.826, and COP of refrigerator B that is 1.21, and the value of WB that is equal to 1.51 kilojoule per second. And if we add up WB plus Q3 we can find out the value of Q4. So heat rejected to the body at 1000 Kelvin, Q4 equal to Q3 plus WB, that is equal to 1.826 plus 1.51, that is equal to 3.336 kilojoule per second. If you like this video, share among your students and friends. Subscribe to get more videos on more topics and Universe 22. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.